People have always loved the Jetboil Flash, but the engineers at Jetboil felt like we could build on that and bring you an even better and easier to use product than ever. This is the all-new Jetboil Flash 1.0 liter cooking system. Everything you need for your kitchen packs down into the cook pot. You have your burner base, fuel can stabilizer, fuel can, the lid, your bottom cover. Jetboil Flash has always been about lightning fast cooking times. This new system will boil half a liter of water in 120 seconds, and that's thanks to our patented Jetboil Flux Ring technology. The Flux Ring is a heat exchanger, and what that does is it's going to grab twice as much of the power coming out of the fuel and direct it into the water instead of wasting it all like you would normally do around a flat bottom cook pot. Here are some of the new features you can look for on our new and improved system. These are all focused around an easier to use experience. We have a new patent pending ignition system where the igniter is built into the valve control. So with one motion, you turn, click, and you're cooking. We also have a new rubberized grip zone that you can see here. And that allows you to have a safe place to handle the product, keeping your fingers away from hot touch points, whether you're connecting or disconnecting your cook pot, lighting your stove, adjusting your flame, taking the fuel canister on or off. The electrode portion of the igniter is now encased and redesigned so that it can never be moved out of position, giving a much more reliable system over time. You can expect to get about 24 boils of a half a liter of water. This new system also features a redesigned connection between the burner base and the cook pot, making it easier to lock, unlock, and secure your cook pot. The Flash will continue to have all the features that you're very familiar with. This includes an insulated cozy. It's a thermochromic indicator built into the cozy that will change color when your water's boiling, so you don't waste any fuel. There's a lid with a pour and a straining feature, as well as a bottom cover that locks on, can be used as a measuring cup or a bowl. The new Flash will still be compatible with a host of accessories you expect. The coffee press, hanging kit, there's a new pot support, and that will allow you to use the Summit skillet and the 1.5 liter cook pot, as well as any other cook pot you may want to bring with you. So if you're looking for the #1 stove trusted by backpackers, climbers, and lovers of the outdoors, this is for you.
This is the versatile MSR switch stove system. It's the perfect choice, whether you're looking for your first backpacking stove or your new favorite. From boiling water to cooking from scratch in the backcountry, the high-performance switch adapts to your culinary needs. The included 1 liter switch system pot is designed for speedy boiling and easy cleaning, thanks to its unique patent-pending hemispherical pot bottom. Rehydrating meals, making fast coffee, and cooking noodles are a cinch with internal graduation marks and a convenient strainer lid. If you want to get a little more gourmet or cook for more people, the switch is ready. With a simple flip of the pot support legs, you can cook with any pot or skillet you like. Make eggs with a non-stick skillet or spaghetti in a larger pot. When you're done, flip the legs back in and heat water for hot chocolate in the switch pot. No matter what cookware you're using, operating the switch stove is easy. A built-in piezo igniter lights the stove with the click of a button. Unlike many stoves in its class, the switch features a pressure regulator, which provides a significant boost in performance and fuel efficiency. The pressure regulator makes the switch more consistent in colder temperatures, at altitude, and when the fuel level in your canister is low. It also improves flame control for precision cooking. Unlike its competitors, which are just made to boil water, the switch can maintain an even simmer to perfectly cook delicate foods. The removable cork cozy is burn resistant and won't melt in case of accidental contact with heat. Cork also provides a better grip when wet, minimizing the chance of spills. The switch system nests into a compact and lightweight package that's easy to stow in your pack. Layer the included pack towel, perfect for cleanup, in the bottom of the pot. Place the stove on top of the towel, then fold up the canister stand and put it inside the stove's ring support. Set a 4-ounce ISOPRO canister on top and put the lid on the pot. The included cup nests on the outside of the switch pot. That's it, packed and ready to go. Ready to have the freedom to cook your way in the backcountry? It's time to switch.
This is the bipod stove, Snow Peak's sturdiest backcountry design. The 2 adjustable legs and 4 large trivets provide a stable cooking surface on uneven terrain.
Hi, I'm Eric with Primus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pack this light XL so that everything fits into the pot. First of all, we disconnect everything. Then we take this 230 gram gas canister and we flip it upside down and put it into the pot. After that, we can take the burner and just place that upside down as well. On top of that, then we use the cavity in the gas canister for extra room. Then we take the canister stand and put that on top of the stove. Then we can put the lid on. Then we can take the handle and secure everything in place. And that's how you pack it. Good luck!